Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll guide you through the process of integrating Scala with QuickBooks. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up the integration and adjust the settings for seamless operation. Let's get started. The first step is to go to the Settings section in Scala. Within Settings, locate and enter the Integration section. Here you will find the Connect to QuickBooks button. Click on it and Scala will direct you to a page where you can grant the necessary permissions to proceed with the integration. After clicking the Connect button, QuickBooks will take you back to the Scala interface for further configurations. If your QuickBooks account isn't already logged in, it will prompt you to enter your username and password to continue. Once the connection is established, a new Settings button will appear. It's important to configure this page correctly for your business needs. Let me walk you through the key adjustments. This can be set up from the Units and Tax Rate section within the settings. You will now see several options for transferring your existing data from QuickBooks to Scala. Let's explore this one by one. Transfer customers. This option allows you to transfer all your customers from your QuickBooks account to Scala. Transfer products. Automatically transfer your products from QuickBooks to Scala. If you don't want to transfer all customers or products, you can deactivate these options. This won't affect your usage. Scala will automatically create records for new products and customers whenever a new order is received. Automatically transfer newly added products. This ensures that any new products created in QuickBooks are automatically transferred to Scala. Automatically transfer newly added customers. Newly added customers in QuickBooks will be signed to Scala without manual intervention. By following these steps, your Scala and QuickBooks accounts will be fully integrated. You'll benefit from automatic data synchronization, saving time and reducing the risk of errors. Let's start by looking at my products in QuickBooks. As you can see, this is the list of products I have. Now switching back to my Scala account, I go to the Stock section and I can see that my products have been imported. Since QuickBooks doesn't differentiate between materials, semi-finished products, or finished goods, I select wood and screws here and use the Mass Update button to classify these items as materials. Once I save the changes, these are now categorized as materials in Scala. Next, I'll select a product to start creating the first step of production, the recipe. I click on the recipe button, choose the materials I want to use for this product, and add them. Here I can also define quantities. I'll use and specify an wastage amount. I leave the cost fields empty for now because I haven't yet made a purchase and don't know the material costs. I save my recipe and move on to the operations section. In this section, I define the production states this product will go through. I add operations like assembly and painting and save them. Now the materials and production states for this product are all set. Next, let's create a purchase. I select the materials I need, enter the quantities I want to buy, and input the purchase prices. After saving the purchase, I go to the Buy section from the horizontal menu. Here I can see the purchase I just created. There's a Receive button next to it. I can either partially receive items by clicking Receive Some and entering the quantities or fully receive them using the Receive button. I click Receive, enter the quantities received, and save the changes. When I click the Stock section, I can see that the stock quantities have increased. Additionally, under the Product section, I can now see that costs have been calculated since the purchase transaction is complete. Now let's create an order. I click the plus button in the bottom right corner and select Order. The order creation screen opens. I select the customer, enter the product name, and can instantly see whether I have stock available for the product and materials. I also input the quantity and unit price for the order, then save it. Once saved, a Make button appears on the side. Clicking this redirects me to the work order screen. The work order for this sales order is automatically generated. If needed, I can make changes to operations or materials specific to this order. Next, I go to the production section. in the horizontal menu. Here, I can see the operations defined in the work order. I can start these operations either from this screen or through the mobile app. I click Start to begin production. If needed, I can pause or stop the operation. When the operation is complete, I click Finish. Now, when I click the stocks, the expected quantity has been updated. I return to the sales screen and the product is now available in stock. I click Delivered to mark the order as delivered. Later, I go to the Delivered section, open the completed cell, and click Invoice. This synchronizes the cell with QuickBooks in real time. This way, you can manage everything seamlessly and in real time using the Scala and QuickBooks integration. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to share this video with anyone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.